Look at this hole and destruction. Wanna see how I make it? Hi guys, greeting on my channel. Today I am not making a model, today I'll destroy it. Who watched my videos before saw my model of t-72 main Soviet and Russian battle tank. If you wanna see how to make this model, you can find this video on my channel. And now it's time to destroy this Russian tank using my secret handmade plasma gun on solar energy. I know, everybody like to destroy something. Special for you, top secret video of this test. Hope you like it. Here we go. Let's begin with external fuel tanks. Smoking! Fuel tanks is done, and now let's burn a machine gun. It took me a little more than 10 seconds, too fast. Next target, let's watch an 125mm main gun. Oh, you saw these drops right on driver's seat. I hope he was wearing a helmet. Barrel of main gun took me a little more time. Let's see on side armor. Get away from here. Side armor is interesting, but much more interesting is thick frontal armor. Almost no result. Let's try in this point. I don't know why, but I really like to see how liquid plasticine drop on floor. Couple minutes and no penetration. It's really hard to penetrate frontal armor. Soviet tanks in 70s and 80s has really good composite armor, and Soviet Union was the first country who started to use composite armor in its tanks, and finally I can penetrate it. Oh, look at this hole! It's huge hole in armor, and right above driver's seat. Now let's try penetrate the side of turret. Firstly, I will destroy the tube with equipment for subwater driving. Liquid plasticine. Like it. Liquid plasticine is everywhere. I almost penetrate left side of turret on my t-72. Ooh-wee! Did you see that? Yeah, classic ammo rack detonation of Soviet tanks. Ammo rack in Soviet and modern Russian tanks place it under the turret at the center of the hull, and when does it detonate, the turret of the tanks usually is flying away, as you can see here. I'm really not expect such result when I start to make this experiment, and I'm glad that I can show you a detonation like in real life. Couple of seconds and T-72 became just a piece of trash and grave for 3 members of crew. Maybe in next my videos I will make for you another destruction of my tanks. So I hope it was funny. Don't forget to subscribe it and like it my video, share it with your friends, and see you next time!